In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you many different IKEA products that are all under 10 euros. Super interesting finds. So, grab your cup of coffee and continue watching to see more. IKEA has come out with this beautiful green colored crockery collection inspired by forest and nature. This has a subtle black edge. The dinner plates from this range cost about 3.99 and the deep plates for pastas or even as mixing bowls cost 3.99 as well. This color would make your food beautifully stand out. This spoon rest is light grey in color that costs only 2.99 euros. No more spills on your worktop. With this spoon rest, you always have a dedicated place to put spoons and spatulas and other kitchen utensils while cooking. So they're easy to reach without any mess or clutter. However, the size is such that at a time you can place just one used spatula on it. This is dishwasher friendly as well. This yellow mug has a warm, rustic, handmade feel. I like the color it adds into my crockery collection, so I got two of these. This summer, if you wish for some more color, then consider these mugs. These food storage boxes are perfect for storing fruits and vegetables and cost about 9.99 euros. You can stack two boxes on top of each other to save space. This isn't as big as it looks in pictures. You can keep the boxes on your kitchen worktop or in the pantry to free up space and stay organized so no food gets forgotten. Made of solid pine, a renewable and durable material that also brings a warm, natural feel to the room. Another practical kitchen countertop organizer that helps you see and reach utensils, spice jars, bottles and other things you need when you're cooking. This is a smart divider to keep things in one space. Perfect for snuggling on the sofa or even just as a sofa accessory, I think. This blue with white stripe throw costs about 9.99 euros and adds an instant pop of color to any space. They came out with an absolutely same cushion cover too that looks pretty nice. The material for both the things is lightweight, so good for transitioning seasons, I'd say, or for cold rainy days. You can welcome spring with colors. These three small vases in different shapes and bright tones are perfect for all of spring's flowers and cuttings. For smaller corners of the home or for just using one of the whole set as a part of a larger setting, these can look really pretty any which way. I feel like they would look beautiful when placed all together on the coffee table or maybe next to the window. I also found a single larger pink vase that has a light pink tinted glass, perfect for the upcoming hot days. This tealight holder that costs 3.99 euros is made of natural material that can make a home feel warm and snug. This one features an outer part made of bamboo with a glass inside to put a lit tea light in to create that extra coziness. This interesting looking soap dispenser is especially made for the kids in your home, a vibrant green color. The kids can press it from the top comfortably and take charge of their morning routine with just a press. I felt it would be a cute addition with kids around. Moving to something for adults, this 3-piece bathroom set looked really different and new. The tray from this set can be used separately, as is obvious. With tiny print on it, one can add some vibrance to boring and dull washrooms. You could even consider this as a gift set. I have to admit, I captured this set of 4 bowls in vibrant spring colors, but they are 14.99 euros. I think they are a limited collection, so I thought of including for those of you who love such colorful things. Perfect for all kinds of sauces and seasonings, IKEA has released a smaller size of 200 ml of this bottle, which means you can store different kinds of sauces in smaller batches. I like to also store homemade tamarind chutney in it for ease of use. This pot stand is about 29 centimeters wide, which is larger than the usual ones we get at IKEA. This can be used for larger vessels too, very easily. The color is pretty and new, and this one costs about €5.99 each. For those of you who find wooden boards very hard to maintain or wish to have separate boards only for meat, then IKEA has come with a slightly different kind of plastic boards. This particular color is larger in size and costs slightly more than €10. They also have another smaller one in pale pink that costs about €9.99. These tin boxes have come out in various shapes and colors, with this particular one costing only €1.99. However, I have to mention they are extremely lightweight, so they seem to be made of very thin tin material. They are good for coffee, sugar, or the larger ones are good for storing cookies and bigger storage items. In fact, I'd say that the bigger ones come in cheerful pastel colors and are good for storing dry goods as well, like flowers, etc. I would say store things that aren't used as much, or buy them only to add some fun colorful element to the pantry space. They are stackable, which is a plus, and hence they are easy to store. This dinnerware collection has a classic black greyish color to it, and it covers everything right from dinner plates, normal plates, quarter plates, deep plates, etc. I think this is one of their best collection right now. Black stands out amazingly on any dinner table, and the food looks beautiful in it. I think for those of you bored of using white plates on a daily basis, this can be a beautiful change. Quickly showing you a spring collection set of 2 mugs. They cost about $7.99 for a set of 2. And again, this is for those who want beautiful bright color in their kitchen. The design was pretty too, and they weren't very heavy as well. I always had square tin boxes in my kitchen that were basically a combination of black and golden, but this color combination is absolutely new. It comes in a set of 2, and I'm sure they will brighten up any space they're used in. IKEA recommends using them for dry goods or maybe things like tea and coffee. In a recent video, I had spoken about how using white can beautify any kitchen space, and I had used these same containers in that video. Ideal for coffee and tea since metal blocks light and protects flavors and aromas, but it's also suitable for dry goods like biscuits and spices. That is what IKEA recommends. This set of 4 glasses costing $7.99 has again been launched for spring collection, I think. They come in different coordinated colors and are just as great for parties as for everyday meals. They had a cute tiny mirror that was a part of the kids collection. The mirror is with suction cup that adjusts to child's height, making it easy to prep for the day. For those of us who are into lighter shades of crockery and don't like a lot of color, then this cream or beige sort of collection has a very rustic and natural vibe to it. Their 26cm plate costs about $2.99, which is fairly lesser than the other plates that I had shown till now. So those were some of the new IKEA products that caught my attention, and I thought of sharing them with you. Hope you liked this video. Let me know which was your favorite product in the comments section. See you all next time.